I like me better when I'm with you.
Hi guys, welcome to my video, and for today's video I'm going to teach you on how to make a notebook that you don't have to do some stitching, staplering. All you need is glue. So our materials for this notebook is glue, of course, scissors, some sort of hard paper. For my video I'm going to use watercolor paper because that's what I have. Yeah. We also have some prints of like what I'm going to put in the notebook, so I'm gonna fold that there. And 20 sheets or 15, you can choose on how many, you can choose how many you want, but I'm gonna use 15. So first step is to fold each of this in half. So you have to cut the printed out design for your cover. So yeah. I'ma piece it, okay, and spread it with my special. First, afterwards I only have 8 instead of having 15. My mom told me that I should not waste paper, so that was unfortunate, but rules are rules. You don't want to waste money, because money you don't pick in some sort of tray. Okay, so I'm gonna fold it hard until like they're one sheet and they don't look like, they would reveal their true colors.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we're back. So I've sticked them. So next step is to grab some clips. These are just additional things if you don't have anyone to help you because you're alone. I think you need 6. It depends on the the length of the paper. However, the clips must be tight, but they should not be. We're gonna leave that, and we're going to return for some minutes. So next step is we will put the covers on and we will apply it. So yep, it's dry. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the paper in half. So yeah, you see I'm cutting paper in half because yeah, that's the rule. So afterwards wait, let's just wait for me to okay, I'm not done. I'm a slow pro. Okay, wait. Okay, so I think I'm done. That took a while. I just like speed the video up. You may not notice it because yeah, you may hear flashing noises, but that's not me. So yep, I stick the covers to the what do you call this, the first page and the last page. So yep, yeah, that's what I actually did. So here, I'm gonna fast forward it because I'm pretty slow. So yeah. So wait, what am I doing? I have no idea what it is. So yep, there we go. There we go. So we're gonna stick it to, yep, I'm a slowpoke.